Tobacco kills a third of all the people who use it, but smokers seem to always be able to come up with an excuse. The Bloomberg Initiative is the newest strategy in the fight against smoking. And now Nayat Lee is at Soledad in St. Anne's with a report on how this new initiative is impacting Trinidad and Tobago.
Good evening.
Good evening, Nayat.
Hi, Golda. I'm at Solomar in St. Anne's for the launch of the global project against tobacco. Basically, what they are trying to do tonight is to get smokers to stop smoking. Now, the thing about it is, though there are long-standing projects that have dealt with smoking and trying to get smokers to stop smoking and deterring young people from taking up the habit, the problem is that 300 million children around the world are exposed to secondhand tobacco, and tobacco use causes 1 in 10 deaths. Now, the plan tonight is to get the government to put graphic images on packs of tobacco in order to prevent smokers from taking up smoking or to stop smoking if they already have. Dominique, she's Trinidad's project officer for this initiative, and she gave us a sneak peek at her presentation for tonight and some of those graphic images they intend to use.
Ladies and gentlemen, none of these images are exaggerated. These are the real effects of the smoking habit. Members of government, members of the press, and members of the civil society, please take the time tonight to speak with those in the medical fraternity who have joined us this evening. They can give you the realities that we are choosing to ignore. Unfortunately, these effects don't show up for years after the start date. When it's too late, the user is hooked. Pictorial labeling is designed to counter the erroneous advertising strategies employed by the tobacco industry. They are cost-effective and an efficient method of reaching target audiences, in particular children. In Canada, where graphic health warnings have been in use since 2001, more than 7 out of 10 adults and nearly 9 out of 10 youths think that warnings are effective at informing them about the health effects. More than 50% of smokers say that warnings compel them to smoke less around other people. 31% of ex-smokers report that picture warnings have motivated them to quit, and 27% report that warning labels help to keep them from smoking. Additionally, labels have been designed to specifically appeal to various segments of society.
Minister of Health later on in tonight's presentation, and we're hoping that combined with the tobacco control legislation, that some meaningful change can come out of this and stop the smokers from smoking.
Thank you so much, Nayat Lee there at Solomar.